Welcome back, everyone. This is the sewing tutorial of this beautiful phone corset. I've previously done the pattern drafting, so this is the sewing tutorial. Thanks for watching. Welcome back, everyone. So this is part 2. We have drafted the pattern for the phone corset in part 1. Then we have cut out the interfacing and the lining. So we are going to do the sewing process in this part 2, and also the beading I'm adding to the phone corset. I'll be showing it here in the part 2. Thank you. So after cutting the pieces, the main fabric, interface and lining, I've gone ahead to iron the interfacing to the main fabric and to the lining. Then I've attached it to each other. Then now I'm going to shape it by the side, attaching the back piece to the front piece. So since I just gave it like 1 inch allowance beside, I'll just mark the 1 inch beside it. Like I'm going to just take 1 inch beside it and sew. So I'm just pinning it down so that I can choke. So I'll just take 1 inch here, 1 inch at the waist, then 1.5 at the bust level. I used to minus 1 inch from the original bust measurement so that at the depth of the bust here, so it can make it tighter. So I used to minus 1 inch when taking my body measurements from the bust, so it can make the bust firmer. So now I'll just go ahead to sew it. So this is it. I'm going ahead to sew the side. So I'll be ironing this side. So I'll go and iron it now and show you how it looks. So I'll go ahead to sew the lining piece too before I sew the front piece. I'll come back and show you how it looks. So I'll go join the front piece and the sides, the back together. So same as the lining. Also the inner cup, which I'll be caging. This is it. I've gone ahead to sew it. So this is the main fabric. I've seen my dress from this. This is the DIY dress from my maid. You can check my previous video to watch the tutorial on how I make this DIY dress from. So it is totally pinnable. I want to mark out my bowling lines. So I'll just take like 2 inch apart, make a bowling casing here, here at the midpoint, here, 2 at the center, here, 2 at the side. Then this part I'll be doing bust caging for it. For this back part, I'll be having this will be the eyelet. So after I've closed it, so I'll be having 2 bowling casing. I'll do an inner bowling casing at this back part. I'll be showing you, but I just want to just illustrate it on the dress form before I start the sewing process. So let me remove the purse pin. So at this side, I'll basically be having it going this way. Then from the waist like this. For the inner lining, I'll be having a bowling going this way like this. For the inner lining. So then at the outer lining of the back, I'll be having, for the outer line of the back, I'll be having 2 bowling casing here. I've just decided to shape it. So I place the back lining and put the front lining. So I'll just chop whatever design you want to chop out. Do any design of your choice, but just make sure it's what you are cutting aligns. I'll go ahead and sew it round before I start my bony casing. So before I actually join the front piece to the lining, I actually add the back piece here. I actually sew sewable boning at the side, at the side seam, at the sides there, and I sew it here too also. Then now I'll be putting the front piece and the lining piece together. Now after putting boning on the inner lining piece, I'm going to sew around. I'll sew around it. The only place I'll leave opening is just this tip. This is the only place I'll leave opening. The rest of the sides, I'm going to sew everything. Okay, I've gone ahead to sew it down around. You can see. This is the other side. You can see how it's looking. I've gone ahead to sew it down. I've gone ahead to turn it and iron it. You can see the way the front is looking. You can see how neat the front piece is looking. So it was only this place that is open. I've closed all the sides. See the inside. See how neat the inside is also looking. See how neat it is. So I will now go ahead, make my boning case. So basically I just make the lines for the boning casing. You can see. So I'll go ahead and stitch on it. Pardon me, my floor is already looking messed up. So I've gone ahead to do the bonings on it. The back boning also. For here I used sewable boning. I just put it there because I have it more. And for the back piece here I used non-sewable boning. So I've basically gone ahead to make the casing for the corset. You can see I've not ironed though. See how neat it is looking. It's looking so neat. I'm going to show you how I opened it to put the casing like this here, to put the non-sewable boning inside. I'm going to show you how I did it. I'll get my seam ripper for it. So this is the non-sewable boning. You can't sew on it. So I'll take my seam ripper. Then, you know, I've closed it already. So I'll just open this place up a bit. Just cut the thread. So it's already open. So I'll just put the boning inside. Let me still open it more. Because there are some corset styles that you actually sew that, you know, the way it is shaped, you won't be able to put your boning here, depending on, well, the way, the normal way, depending on the. So let me just cut the boning so that it can easily enter. Then I'll just place it in. And see, it has gone in easily. You can see it has gone in easily. And I'll just bring it out small, then cut it. So you can go ahead and stitch. If it's like you're putting a yoke on it, you can go ahead and stitch it, or you should just put this sewing gum and just close it up. That's it. Like there's no sign of you, traces of you. Like you want to know how did this person get the boning inside. So I also open this side too. So this is another trick to also put in your boning without stress. It's just not sewing boning, and it's opened already. That's why I didn't do any tutorial on it. So you just make your casing. You make your casing, then you put it inside. But this one is already sewn, it's closed. So that's why I have to show you on camera how I got it inserted. I've gone ahead to iron it. So imagine this is the inside. See how neat the inside of the corset is. Why this is the outside. Like you can't even differentiate the inside from the outside because it's really neat. Like I'm not even exaggerating. Like both the inside and outside looks wearable. Though this is the inside. So I'm going to cut small straps like this. Small straps, a long strap, and two short straps. I'm going to be using it to turn the neck of the corset with a boning. Like this is going to be here. I'm going to use it to turn this part, and this part will just be for the small little part here. I will take the two fabrics like this, close it together. The strap I cut, so I'll take the strap, close it together. So I will stitch it on the neck. Then I'll place my boning on it. Then turn it on it to cover it up. I'll be doing it on the machine, so I'll show you how I'm doing it. This is what I said I was going to do. I'll take the fabric on the right side, then I'll stitch it straight down. So on the wrong side of the material, I'll take the small strap very close to the neckline. Fold it into two like this. Like I check it like this, and I fold it into two. Fold it on it itself, yeah. Then I check it like this. Now that is so I will now turn it on the right side and fold it on top like this. Can you see? Well, first thing first, I'll first trim out this side so it won't be too bulky or big. Then I'll just go ahead and sew it on top like this after putting it inside. So the long strip that I made, I'm going to take it and fold it like this and sew it on the neck. Then I'm going to go ahead and trim all the side off. I forgot that I had to put my boning inside, so I had to open the one side and I place the boning inside. After putting the boning inside, you can see the boning inside. After putting the boning inside, then I'll go ahead to close this part. After I've gone ahead to trim, this is the inside, so I'll just flip it like this to the outside. So I'll just flip it like this. I'll still change this place more, so I'll flip it like this. Flip it, close everything. I'll sew it round. So I did a bust caging for the two parts of the funnel corset. So I won't be showing the process here because I don't want this video to be too long. I'll be dropping the link in the description below for the tutorial of the bust caging. So do well to watch the story of the bust caging. It's very explanatory. Thank you. So this is how the bust caging for the two came out. So I just went ahead to tack it to the funnel corset. And I'll be teaching you how I did this front piece for this corset that I made. So basically it's just a simple method, and you can actually do this in front of your dress, any form of dress you are actually making. This is the way it looks. So you can do it for any dress you are making. So I'll be showing you how to make it so after you have threaded your thread, you insert it at the back where you want to position it. After inserting it, you attach. You can attach up to 4 beads, but I like using 3 beads. You can use 3 beads or 4 beads based on your preference. Then after that, the bead, you place it on the place. So where the beads end, you would you insert your needle there, then bring it to the midpoint, to the middle of the line, then draw it out. Then you insert it backwards into 2 beads. This is to make it firmer. Ensure that anything you're doing, make it tight. So then that's already in place. So from where you stopped, you insert it in, then bring it to the next side. This is to start the next line. Then you insert another 3 beads. Where it stops again, you insert it there, then you take it to the middle like this. Then you insert it backwards through 2 thread. So then from where it stops again, you insert it and take it to the next line. You can actually use the normal beading needle, but this method I can use the normal beading needle. I can use the bead needle because it can enter a crystal bead. Then I will insert 3 beads again and repeat the process. Where it stops, I'll insert the bead inside and take it to the middle. Then I'll take it backward into 2 beads. Ensure you draw your thread well to make it firm, because you don't want your beads to be loose. And you take it again, and where it stops, insert it, then move to the next line. Then insert another 3 beads. So it's a very simple process, and basically that's the way I achieve all my beads for my neckline, and it's so beautiful, full. So you don't keep repeating the process till you cover your neckline. So share and follow for more bead tips like this, and if you have any particular bead tutorial I want to show you, I can go ahead and make the video. Thanks for subscribing and liking. This is how the funnel corset came out to be. It's so beautiful. I really love the outcome of the funnel corset. In my next video, I'll be dropping how I made this beautiful skirt with bayonets. Thanks for watching to the end. Bye.